Have you ever wished your AI image could blink, smile, move naturally, or even look like a real movie scene? Well, they can! In today's lesson, I'll show you how to turn any AI image into a realistic AI video using only your smartphone. Welcome back to Josephine AI Academy, where I teach you AI step by step using only your smartphone. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because every week I share beginner-friendly AI tutorials. First, let's understand what image to video AI actually means. Image to video AI is a technology that takes a single photo and intelligently adds movement to it. Instead of looking like a still picture, your AI character can blink, smile, move naturally, and even look as if it was recorded with a real camera. That's how many AI videos you see online are created. There are many AI video generators available today, but as a beginner, I recommend starting with free options. Some of my favorites are Google Flow, Pixfast, Kling AI, Hello AI. Choose one that works best for you. Click on your Google Flow, the one circled, open it. Then you see that place that is say, you click on it. They used to give you 50 credits every day. I've used up to, and they collect 12 per each video. Here is flow interface. You will see edit video, edit photo, animate photos. Click on animate photos. Once you click on animate photo, it will bring you to your album. You select the image you want to use. As you select it, allow you to upload. The upgrade there is that they're warning me if I want to upgrade. If not, dismiss. The immediate image has generated. Now, you see where the circle describe the motion. That place, write what you want the character to do for you. Now I'm done typing my prompt of what I want the image to say. It's generating now. Let's wait a few minutes. Done. Now let's hear it.
Congratulations! You have successfully created your first AI video.
Congratulations! You have successfully created your first AI video. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Josephine AI Academy, and share it with someone who wants to learn AI. In my next lesson, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar that looks just like you and speak using your own voice. I'll see you in the next class. God bless you.